Hello and welcome to a short walk around video of the Merry Fisher 795 Sport Series 2 that we have in stock here at Burton Waters. I'm just going to run over some of the spec on this boat, starting at the stern where we find extended swimming platforms with the teak and a single Yamaha 200 horsepower outboard. Moving forward, we've got a bait locker with the window in the top there for you to keep storage of all the bait if you're on a fishing trip. Moving on to the aft cockpit, you've got a very sociable space where you've got room for plenty of people to sit around the table. And the table can also be removed and converted into a sun pad. Both the starboard and port benches in the aft deck fold away. Under this side we have a locker with a water pump on it, perfect for storing any fish. At the back of the wheelhouse on this boat we've opted for the large sliding door. So on the right as you go in you've got your fridge. The two seats at the helm are both fully adjustable. Garmin nav equipment, and there is also the electric windlass controls remote from the helm. There's diesel forced air heating in the cabin as well. Sink with a tap there. A small table that slides up so it's completely out the way when you're moving through the boat. At the front you've got a couple of spacious berths, plenty of natural light coming in there as well. And a separate head compartment in there. This boat does benefit from two huge sliding doors on both the port and starboard side, and it's just a half step up out onto the side. That's the side door for very easy access on the starboard side, and again, these walkways are very safe. You feel like you're very secure. They're nice and high on both sides, and even up at the top it's sort of around knee height. An electric windlass at the front, and on the roof we've got roof racks and also 7 rod holders at the back of the wheelhouse. And then this bimini, which quite easily can slide back in, which is the perfect feature for if you're using this as a fishing vessel. For more information on this boat or to arrange a viewing, give us a call on 01522 567 404 or visit our website burtonwaters.co.uk.